Hello guys, welcome to SA WebTech. Today I am going to discuss on present simple tense passive voice. As we know already, active voice is subject oriented while passive voice is object oriented. I will discuss passive voice by taking examples of active voice rules and sentences. Before going to discuss, we should aware of objective forms of the pronouns. Those are objective form of I is me. Objective form of we is us. Objective form of you is you only. Objective form of he is him. Objective form of she is her. Objective form of it is it only. Objective form of they is them. So now let's move to the rule for positive sentence in passive voice. That is, as I already told, it is object oriented sentence. So object plus am, is, are plus v3 plus by plus subject. So let's compare active voice sentence with passive voice formula. So here object here is cricket. So cricket is singular or plural? So it is singular only. Therefore cricket is. Coming to the verb form. So here the verb is v1, that is play. v3 of this play is played. Therefore cricket is played. Remaining is common. By plus subject. Here the subject is I. Here in passive voice we have to write the objective form of the pronoun or subject. That is, objective form of I is me. Therefore cricket is played by me. You can write daily, your wish. And one more note is, during these days people are not writing by plus subject. Okay, so you can simply write cricket is played simply. I mean, it is understandable according to the context, so you need not to mention every time by plus subject. Similarly, cricket is played by us, as it is for remaining sentences also. So coming to the negative sentence, here object is followed by not. So object plus am, is, are plus not plus v3 plus by plus subject. So let's write an example. Cricket is not played by me daily. Cricket is not played by us. Similarly for remaining sentences also, remaining pronouns. So coming to positive question, the auxiliary verbs, that is am, is, are, either one of these comes first. It is followed by object. So coming to the rule, am, is, are plus object plus v3 plus by plus subject. So coming to the example, is cricket played by me daily, like that. Is cricket played by us? Similarly for remaining. Coming to the negative question. So here am, is, or not is followed by not plus object. Am, is, are plus not plus object plus v3 plus by plus subject. Coming to the example, is not or isn't cricket played by me daily? Isn't cricket played by us? Similarly for remaining things also, remaining pronouns.